Struggling to stick to a budget? What if I told you ChatGPT could be your personal finance coach? I'm Aswad, and today I'll show you exactly how to use AI to take control of your finances. First, use ChatGPT to create a personalized budget. Simply tell it your income, major expenses, and financial goals. It'll suggest a realistic spending plan that actually works for your lifestyle. Second, make it your expense tracker. Ask ChatGPT to categorize your spending and identify patterns. You might discover you're spending $200 monthly on takeaways without realizing it. Third, use it for goal setting. Whether you're saving for a holiday or paying off debt, ChatGPT can break down your target into manageable monthly amounts and suggest strategies to reach them faster. Here's a powerful prompt to try. I earn 3 pounds, 0 monthly, spend 800 pounds on rent, 300 pounds on groceries, and want to save 500 pounds. Create a detailed budget and suggest 3 ways to optimize my spending. The best part? ChatGPT explains everything in plain English. No financial jargon. It's like having a patient financial advisor available 24/7. Your financial future starts with better planning, and now you have the perfect tool to make it happen. But that's not all. ChatGPT can also help you learn about personal finance topics like investing, credit scores, or building an emergency fund. You can ask it to set reminders for bill payments, savings goals, or even track your progress each month. Need to choose a savings account or credit card? ChatGPT can compare options and explain the pros and cons in simple terms. So whether it's budgeting, tracking expenses, setting goals, or learning new skills, ChatGPT is your all-in-one finance partner. Try these steps today and take charge of your money. I'm Aswad, and you've got this. For more tips, subscribe and start your journey to financial freedom.